Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix a CS2 controller or gamepad is not working. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what you need to do here, you need to plug your controller or you need to connect your controller to Bluetooth, and then you need to make sure that a second controller is not connected to your computer. Maybe you have your VR connected or wheel to play the basically racing games. Sometimes controller will not work when other accessories is connected. So if you have VR, other controller connected, just unplug them and just plug your keyboard, mouse and controller, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, if your controller connected, then you need to go to Steam, you need to go to settings, then you need to go to controller. And here, make sure this button is selected, and also depending on what controller you're using, you need to enable a Steam input for that particular controller. I'm using PlayStation controller, so this button is toggled on for me. But if you're using, for example, Xbox controller, make sure to use this button. Or if you're using, for example, generic controller, not PlayStation or Xbox, some sort of, I don't know, Logitech or something like that, then you need to use this input here. And then make sure that idle gamepad shutdown is on never, because on default it will I believe it will be 15 minutes. So this means after 15 minutes your controller will shut down in game. So you don't want to do that, so make sure that this is on never. And then you need to go to CS2, right click on it, go to properties, controller, and then you need to try with the default settings, and if it's not working for you, then go back, close the game, and then use disable Steam input. And if this option is not working, then close the game and try enable Steam input, and one of the things should work for you. And also make sure that a Steam overlay is disabled here, because sometimes it can cause the issue. And also you can go on Steam settings, and then I believe there is in-game option here, and you can disable Steam overlay here, and your controller should work now, right? So that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.